Welcome back to today's video. I am Victoria Vic, and in today's video I am going to be showing you guys a facial cream for those of us who are still struggling to get the right facial products. You all know that Victoria Vic channel recommends the best products. We tell you what works. We don't want you to waste your money going to different skincare, different cosmetic brands and playing the guess game. If this is your first time of visiting, you are super welcome. Please hit the subscribe button to become part of this channel, and to my existing subscribers, thank you so much for being part of this family. So guess what, today I am going to be talking about a facial cream which I know it's gonna be very beautiful. It's something that you can't afford to miss. I always tell you people, do not use your body cream on your face. It can cause you to age faster, give you sunburn, give you wrinkles and a whole lot of facial issues. So the product I have here with me today is Bismid Face Cream. This is Bismid Face Cream. Look at it, this is it, face cream, and it's written direction: apply it on face in the daytime. I've been using this face cream for a while now. I think that's about 3 weeks, okay? And I said to myself, it is very selfish of me if I can have a beautiful product like this and I'll talk to you guys about it. I know I have been reviewing a lot of skincare products. I've been reviewing a lot of facial creams, especially for night. I've reviewed a lot of night facial creams, but I've not really reviewed much of day cream. And when I stumbled on this day cream, I've been using it. I wanted to be sure before I talk to you people, and I can tell you the thing is that since I started using this product, what I noticed that my face looks very blended, my face looks very beautiful, and apart from the face looking beautiful, it glows my face and make my face look super soft and sweet. I am filming this video right now without makeup, apart from my signature lipstick. I love my lips a lot. I love to define my lips a lot, even if I'm not wearing any makeup, and that's by the way. The product I have here with me today is Bismid Face Cream. This is Bismid Face Cream. Look at it, this is it, face cream, and it's written direction: apply it on face in the daytime. I am of the opinion that people should not use their body cream on their face. Why? Because most times when you use your body cream on your face, it can give you redness, it can give you sunburn, it can make you to age faster, pimples, and a lot of skin related problems. And I see a lot of women who go around and they're having lots of facial problems like sunburn, red, and so many other facial problems. All right, so I don't find that very nice, and that's why I'm trying to save you those whole trauma and stress by telling you to get a good facial product. And when you are using this, you can also use a facial wash or a facial scrub. I've reviewed a couple of facial scrub, couple of facial wash, and if you're looking for the right one to use, you can click on the link above to watch them. You can click on the link above to watch it so that you can use it alongside with this product. Don't say there is no money. This is very affordable. It is actually affordable. Remember that your face is very beautiful, your face is vital, and it is the first thing people look at when they look at your face, and they begin to look at other part of your body, and then they begin to check your character and blah blah blah. The list goes on, but let's say the face first is what attracts, and apart from that, some people will counter this video, but we're not here to argue. I'm of the opinion that if your face should look beautiful even without makeup, so you don't keep hiding your face with makeup. All right, if you have a nice face, I don't think you need so much makeup to pop up and to look good, to look beautiful. So sweethearts, beautiful ladies, if you please, when I say get a Bismid face cream, try as much as possible to get the one I reviewed. Don't go ahead and buy other types of Bismid products and tell me I said you should get Bismid products. I'm only reviewing the ones I have used. I'm only reviewing the ones people have used. I'm reviewing the ones I am sure of. I want to save you that time and money, so I want you to get the right one. Make sure you get this particular one, and you may end up loving your face, okay? And make sure you stop exposing your face too much to sun. If you're going out, you can wear your sunshade and all that, and then you must not sometimes you can wait for when the sun has subsided before stepping out. But for those, I understand for those of us who must hustle and bustle for them to get one or two things, please wear your sunshade, okay? Can protect your face from the sun, because all this makes us look older, especially if you're in your late 20s or your early 30s or late 30s. Or some of these ethics will make you, if you try to observe some of these things, get a good face wash, get a good facial wash, get a good face cream, avoid too much sun, and relax yourself and drink a lot of water, I believe you end up looking a bit younger than your age. I love you so much, ladies, and I want the best for you all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please tap the subscribe button to become part of the channel. I love you all. Bye bye.